Watch this.
Your stomach contains acid powerful enough to damage human tissue. But wait a second, that sounds like a pretty serious problem.
I made this engaging explainer in minutes using a simple script. This is Agent Opus, which can turn scripts into a publish-ready video with storyboarding, voiceovers, and captions. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use it, from choosing the video style and voice to generating the final scenes. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First, you'll need to create an account. Before Agent Opus generates anything, it asks you to set a few things up so it knows what kind of video you're trying to create. The first one is the video style, for which I'll choose claymation. The next section is assets. If you have any images, logos, or other visuals that you want included in the video, you can upload them here. It will give the AI more context about your prompt. Next, we have the audio section, where you can choose from different AI voice models. For this video, I'm going with an expressive voice. It works nicely with explainer-style content and gives the claymation visuals a bit more personality. Once that's selected, we move on to the prompt, which is probably the most important part of the setup. This is where you explain exactly what you want the AI to create. The more specific you are about the idea, scenes, and overall direction, the easier it is for Agent Opus to understand what you're aiming for. For my video, I already had a script prepared, so I simply added it to the prompt and asked the AI to match the animations with what was being said. Right below that, you can choose your aspect ratio. Since I'm creating a YouTube Shorts-style video, I'm using 9:16. Below this entire part, you can see different generation modes. For this tutorial, we're sticking to script to video since it's the most simplest and turns a short script into a whole video. And that's the main setup done. Before clicking generate though, I recommend giving everything one quick check. Ensure your prompt, assets, voice, and settings are all correct, because fixing a mistake later can mean spending more credits. Once everything looks good, click generate. Agent Opus will then give you a quick summary of the video along with the transcript. You still have a chance here to adjust the script or try a different voice before creating the final version. For this video, the generation is going to cost 135 credits. You can also choose between different quality options. There's the basic quality version using minimum credits, premium quality version for 450 credits, and a custom version where you can choose both video and image models according to your preference. Once you're happy with everything, click Create Video Now. And here's what Agent Opus generated.
Why doesn't your stomach start digesting itself? It's because its inner lining has a protective defense system, including a thick layer of mucus and bicarbonate.
The video started off nicely, but as it went on, the quality and scenery changed quite a bit. We can ask Agent Opus to regenerate the parts we don't like for a more refined result. Finally, let's discuss pricing. You can start with the free plan, which gives you enough to create 2 30-second videos. The Pro plan costs $29 per month and includes 3,600 credits for 120 30-second videos. Overall, Agent Opus is a decent option for quick explainers with easy script-to-video workflow and multiple visual styles to choose from. However, some scenes may need regenerations, which can cost extra credits. So, try out Agent Opus using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, watch this video next.